in short, what we want is that there will be a hub here at KCRC. And that's why I wanted these people to be the data people. So if you see like a patient who is bad off, or a patient who has run out of drugs, or as you find out, we are even going to be looking after orphans in the villages. You know, and maybe an orphan needs the health support, he needs the medical care. Then you send a text message, which would be paid for. Hey, you send a text message to the system here. The computer will capture that text message. Hey, say now, I'm coming to Waigamba, says there is somebody who is sick on this point. He's been admitted here, maybe needs help. And then the community nurse here will either ride a motorcycle to come and check on the progress of the patient, or Elfa or the ambulance or come out, we shall send an ambulance to come and pick that person. I know, you are not clapping because it is too good to be true. It's yet sinking, yeah. You know? Or you'll be able to send a text message that this orphan needs a lot of assistance or has suffered, and then they will inform the social worker accordingly to go and help that particular person. So that's the system that we are going to be setting up. So we are going to launch this system on Tuesday when the first reader is here. That's when we shall launch it, and that's when we shall give out the mobile phones.